Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie, and for today, I wanted to start off with answering these two questions because when I started online, I started from scratch. I had no idea what affiliate marketing was and how it worked. I mean, my first experience with any type of sales was when I was young and I was in Girl Scouts. So, and that I could say I was shy. I was really shy when I was growing up. So, that was my first real experience with sales. But in regards to having an online business and being with this business opportunity, Digital Wealth Pros, what I wanted to talk to you today about. With Digital Wealth Pros, it comes with a callback team that closes the sales for you. So as you can see, this is the login information. I'm going to log into my back office, and I entered at the $400 level. So right here are the two levels that are available to you, the bronze level and the gold level products. So they come with a lot of value in here. I have been working on the gold level products. I've been in Digital Wealth Pros already going on for about a month. By the 18th of March, I'll have a month with Digital Wealth Pros. And yes, I have made money online with Digital Wealth Pros. It's really great because as someone who wasn't able to put the pieces together, I've been taking action and I've done my best to stay consistent, especially emailing my list. I am not using the CRM with Digital Wealth Pros. I am using my own Aweber account. So all of my leads are in my Aweber list. But I make sure that I do email my list every day. And I highly suggest that you would do the same. It's great to email them every day. Don't be afraid to email your list. That way they can get to know, like, and trust you. And not just that, but you're promoting the product. And with Digital Wealth Pros, it's a really great opportunity to get into, especially if you don't like speaking to anybody. You don't have to close the sale. All you're doing is advertising it and, of course, using it to learn different things about internet marketing, because there are different ways to internet marketing. So that's where it comes down to with these two questions that I wanted to answer. So is lead generation worth it? And why lead generation is important for a business. So with lead generation, I wanted to get on here on Google just so I can go ahead and type in lead generation. And this is something great because you can do it on your own, do your own research. But, I want to explain this to you. So lead generation is the process of getting customers to your online website. So with that said, you're collecting either their information by name, phone number, and email, or just by email. And I just collect the email. That's something that I am doing. Most people, when you get online, you want something fast. I notice that's what this world is about. We want everything fast and at our fingertips. So using just the capture of the email, that's really been working for me. I see the results and I'm amazed with my results because as someone, like I said, who started online, I was doing things, way differently. Like I wasn't capturing my leads. So like they say, you're leaving money on the table by not capturing those leads. So lead generation is worth it. Just like a store, if you have a physical store, a brick and mortar, you need people to come into your store in order to sell products, in order to get profits. That's the exact same thing with an online business. You need to use lead generation strategies to get people to your website. So they call that eyeballs to your website. So lead generation is important for a business because that's how you get to build the know, like, and trust factor with them and get to inform your consumer of what the product is and why they need it, how it will help them solve their problems. And one of my problems was to make money online. I needed to work from home. I needed to make some kind of income from home. But not just that, I really am getting this. This is what I love. I think it's great I can be at home and take care of my family and also take care of myself, protect my own peace, and just live a lifestyle of non-negative stuff, no drama in my life. And even though like the internet, there's a lot of things out there. Facebook is one of them. You can market on Facebook, but I can say, I like Facebook. It's great, but sometimes there's a lot of, I guess you can say, a lot of noise, like they say on Facebook. Some people just don't want to be nice, so that's okay. That's one thing that I recommend here with starting your online journey is always working on your mind and keeping your mind positive and reading books that involve marketing, that involve your mind. So with that said, that's why with Digital Wealth Pros, they do have that back here, because it is so important to have a healthy mindset when you're working anywhere, but in the online space, it is great to have something to work on your mind. So that's cool right here. It has power of mindfulness, success habits of the wealthy. So because with affiliate marketing, the sky's the limit, as long as you put your mind to it and you're ready to learn and you're ready to do the training back here, get started, do the back office tour, take a look at the actual product, and you're willing to learn about affiliate marketing, email marketing, working on lead generation strategies, you will be able to get sales into your portfolio, into your history. But with making money online, it's really fun. It's great. There's a lot of different ways out there to make money online. But the way that I have found, and it's working for me, is using solo ads and YouTube marketing. I think that's really great, because whatever you start learning, you can teach it to others. That way they can do that, because my mission is for everyone to be able to have economic empowerment and make their own income, make some kind of income and not just depend on a job, because I've been through that, jobs after jobs, and trying to find myself, trying to find my purpose. And I know this is my purpose, being online and on my computer and teaching others as well that there's a way to make it from home without having to also be stuck all day on your computer. So I'm not a millionaire yet, but I can say that this is really fun. I like it. So, and it's amazing that you can promote a product. When I found out that you can promote a product and make money online, I got obsessed. I have journals filled with notes, and with all my notes, everything came down to this. You need a sales funnel, you need to capture leads, and you also need to be yourself. So with that said, I want to go ahead and bring up a sales funnel. That way you're able to see how that works, just in case you're not familiar, but you might be familiar if you're looking at this as well. But basically this is how it works. You get those leads. Right here. You generate those leads, stage 1. You qualify those leads. They turn into prospects, and from prospects, they turn into customer. And as you can see, from 1,000 to 100 to 10, that's the way it works. Not everybody's going to be your customer. Some will, some won't, and some are waiting. So that's the great thing here with using these particular business opportunities. You're able to learn everything about list building, everything about how to properly set up a online account, so an online business account. But I use this Lead Capture Marketing Pro to run my capture pages, and also I have branding pages back here, and that is also I know the company owner, Tammy Montgomery. She is my referral to Digital Wealth Pros, my sponsor. So that's how I got into Digital Wealth Pros, through Tammy Montgomery, because she is the owner of Lead Capture Marketing Pro, one of the owners. But here are my campaigns that I am running, and these are the pages that I am using. So I really like my results, especially as somebody who came from not having really a clue on what, not having a clue or not having the right strategies to get people onto my list. This has really helped me a lot with this particular marketing system. This one is $347, but everything's back here to get you started. Videos back here, trainings, and we also have Zoom meetings as well. So with this particular system, I am using it to run my campaigns with Digital Wealth Pros. And I did test one of the pages out, but I haven't gotten conversions on that one. But that's a nice page as well. So that was one of them. But I really hope that you enjoyed my video with Digital Wealth Pros. So if you get in now at the $400 level, you're able to be grandfathered in to the $800 level that will be coming out soon. That's really exciting to get $800 payments as well. But to start off at $200 or $400, that's really great to work from home, advertise from home. And I did want to go over here. I am going to use this iBlast from Hercules. It starts tomorrow. This traffic run, I'm going to use it for Digital Wealth Pros. So I'm really excited to see what the results will be with that. That will be my first time using the iBlast advertising with Hercules. So that's a platform where you can advertise, and if you want to use that, you can click the link in the description below as well for Hercules. But with Digital Wealth Pros as also an earning disclaimer, it's all based on your own marketing efforts. So you have different ways of marketing, and it goes over all of that back here. So if you don't want to talk to anybody and you just want to advertise and you're ready to make money online, you can go ahead and click the link in the description. You can call the 1-800 number after you watch the video. It answers all your questions. It's a really great sales video. So I hope you enjoyed my review on Digital Wealth Pros. I really like it because of the callback team. That's one of the greatest benefits. You're on automation. I could be at the park with my kids. I could be making dinner. I could be outside. I could be studying with my kids, or I could be having dinner out with my family, and I'll still be getting people to my capture page while I'm running traffic, or while I have my YouTube video or a post up on Facebook, and getting people to my website. So it just takes time. Enjoy the process. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below, but this is available worldwide, and it's a great way to learn how to make money online, and affiliate marketing is just growing and growing. And I think if you want to get started now, because I waited for so long on the sidelines, just trying to get things right. And I did act out of fear. This is something that nobody in my family has ever done. So I'm excited that I'm doing it, and I enjoy being on a computer, but you don't even have to enjoy being on a computer. I mean, who doesn't though, either way, right? But I mean, to each their own, but I hope that you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and get started with Digital Wealth Pros, and go ahead and plug in, and I'll see you there. And thank you for watching my video. Go ahead and like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you on the next one.